Welcome! Today I'm showing how to check battery health information into XIAOMI Redmi Note H 2021. First of all, open your Play Store and find Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so click Install. And now click Open. Then click No Thank You, Closed, and OK. OK and OK. Then need swipe on the right, and here in the second column in the top we got our health battery information. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.